Good morning guys. Duty ako ngayon. Duty sa apo. Binilakad yung nanay. Nagiinit akong tubig para sa kanyang pampaligo. Kasi medyo malamig pa ang tubig. Kagigising lang yan pero nakain na siya. Nakain habang nanonood. Hinanda naman na ng nanay niya yung kanyang gagamitin. Ayun o, yung gamit. Ang bag. Ayan yung sapatos. Tapos, may mga re-reviewin. Minawin ko rin yung kanin, tirang sinain ko. Sana hindi mapanis yung kanin na ininit ko. Ang kanyang bahay. Dinala ko na yung kusot pala. Kung napapansin nyo yun, sa may kusina namin. Dinala ko na.
It's water.
Maliwanag na.
Colors.
Mga 6:40, maliligo na yan. Yung kinakain niya ay cereal lang. Para mabilis. Cereal na may gatas. Siyempre. Tapos na ata. Tapos na siya. Mamaya-maya ako na yan isalin kasi hindi pa tapos kumain. Naka-ready nang umalis guys yung bataan. Nag-review na yan sa ay nakuha. Matalino naman to. Aray, kakatawag lang ng ama. Dito ka sa may electric pan, oh. Hello. Talay. Pumunta na kami kanina doon sa magsiservice dyan. Masyado daw maaga, kaya bumalik kami at nag-review ulit. Nakaalis na yung bagets. Naligpit ko na rin. Ayaw nang makalat nun. Bata ko ayaw nang makalat. Mga 9 ata nandito na siya. 9 or 10. Alas 8 na guys. At sumasakit na ang ulo ko. Ibig sabihin, gutom na ako. Charot. Kakain na ako. OMG. Yung prinito ko tong galonggong, nilagyan ko ng breading. Binaon ko yung tira ng ate kami ng asawa ko. Sana hindi mapanis yung naiwan kong kanin. Ito kasi yung bago to. Inubos ko kasi konti lang yung sinasain ko pang baon niya. Ayun, para maubos yung isang kaldero, binaon ko na yung tira doon. Pero yung baon, sana hindi maubos. Kasi ang mahal-mahal ng red rice. Kain muna ako. Tapos yung kusot pala, kinuha na ng pamangkin kong lalaki kasi dyan lang naman nakatira. Panggabi, nakita niya ako. Kinuha niya na kanina. Tapos na ako guys, kumain. Minatirang 2 kalahati. Yun naman yung tinik. Inubos ko na yung kanin pala. Nakauwi na pala guys yung estudyante. Cellphone agad ang hawak. Perfect daw siya sa exam. Wala pa yung nanay.
Liquid cat.
Manananghalian na. Ayan. Ang ulam niya ay ano, meatloaf. Oo, tapos ka na?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ang ulam niya ay ano, meatloaf. Ayan. Lubat na yung cellphone ko kaya magti-TV na lang siya. Say hi. Ayan, naka-charge na. Siya nagamit niyan. Kakain mo na yan.
I did not expect that.
She just opened the door and they exploded.
That was insane.
Bubble? What was that?
Was that
Tapos na kaming kumain guys.
So, whoa!
Yung tirang ulam ko kanina, yun ang inulam ko.
Oh my gosh, it's the dude. Special white man makes a large monster. I think it's dog snowy. Intro snowy with all of this scene.
I wonder if Inventor Stargazing is.
I just think Bonnie is the chief of Jill. Anglo is actually capable of being happy.
I think so.
Like her comic, that's Jill breaks up there. She was literally happy in the anime one, and then Jack's ruined it.
Maybe she just doesn't want to hang out with me all the time.
She likes what I mean to her, though.
No. I think it's weird.
I do. Yeah, you're right.
Why is Jack so aggressive?
Where did I got Snowy?
Actual friends? Ooh.
She said not anymore.
Oh, wait, no. I'm sorry. I was talking about
Jack's Lord, Jack's Lord. Jack's had a friend before.
Ooh, I remember all about that.
He was one of the characters that we saw in the doors in the pilot. It's.
I think Jack's being nice to somebody.
Doesn't she get on your nerves sometimes?
I mean, she's so nice to everyone.
I think she tries way too hard. We're stuck in. I'm always pretending everything's always fine. If you tell someone they're underappreciated every day, it kind of loses all meaning.
She's positive.
What is he talking about?
Why don't you take advantage of it?
Also, she's down and she looks weird. Excuse you. This is what female performance looks like.
Wait.
My ears and tail are kind of identical with masculinity.
You don't have a tail.
What are you talking about? Yes, I do.
Have you not had a tail the whole time? I have never seen you with a tail.
When did that happen?
You said you had a tail before?
You probably saw some weird part. Uh-oh. Just a little bit of Russian hate.
Why is it that I don't have that thing?
I picked up Daddy Bubble. I think it's their choice. Suggesting lots of adventures more than me adventures.
He's so boring. He's not to grow up. Me trying to
What is your head? Okay, let's go to vision. Yeah, it's...
Pwede ka natin, hindi ka kumain.
Yes, Mommy. Kendra, wait a
Ay, pusa.
Solve your everyday items and daily life essentials. They all use them. A leader in web hosting and creator.
Let's see. Whoa! This is sick!
You're so awesome.
This is so cool!
We kind of teacher meeting.
I don't know, Snowy. I know I've never heard of the ambition before.
Me neither, but that's pretty cool. I think you're in a crazy people room.
Okay, pause. Hold on a second. Let's go back and look at that. So, guys, Jax comes running in and then he stops. He abruptly stops at a door with an abstracted character on it. And then that's the way the little frog, like dinosaur-looking character. He's like, "Whoa, gremlins?" They try to see if we can learn more information about this character. We're learning about Jax today. Ooh, next adventure. This way. Okay.
Super awesome. Cosmopolitan. It's lit and black and white.
Kaya tayo guys. Ha? Bigyan tog eh. Oh, nagutom na yung tagabantay. Wala pa yung inahan. Butin mo na. Dumating na pala asawa ko. Doon siya sa labas kasi nasa labas din yung bata, naglararo. Sa e-bike siya nakaupo. Ayan, yung e-bike na yan. Sa pamangkin ko yan. Wala pa eh. Past 5 na. Magpaalam yung bata sa nanay na maglaro sa labas, kaya nandyan. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Ginabi na yung nanay. 6 na siya nakauwi. Ininit ko na lang yung kanin, buti hindi na panis. Ito naman. Mais be? Buti hindi rin nasira to. Ito na lang ang ilalaga ko kasi kunti lang yung kanin. Bumili na lang kami ng ulam. Yung asawa ko, nagmimina na naman. Nilagyan ko to ng tubig para hindi matigas ang para hindi matigas yung kanin na nakadikit. Gabi na eh. May mga bagets pa rin sa labas. Yun lang guys, magpapahinga na kami kasi kakain na rin kami. Yung binili pala, ayan, chicken curry at adobo at yung kanya. Yun yung binili naming ulam. Ayun yung ininito. Isa lang ko na rin to kasi para makakaya kami.